How to delete undeletable folder in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So right click on the folder that you want to delete. After that, go to properties. Now go to security. After that, in this permission for everyone, simply select your username and make sure you have checked all the allow boxes and unchecked all the deny ones. Simply tap on OK and apply it. Try deleting the folder if the problem still exists. Simply go to your start menu and then run your command prompt. After that, simply type cd and the folder name. And what you will have to do is type dir/x, and after that what you will have to do is type rmdir and folder name. Hit enter and then your folder will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.